Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. I'm so glad you came back. Today is Saturday morning and I'm in a little bit of a rush. You see, I'm kind of dressed. I'm headed out, but I wanted to make something quick and easy for my family to eat while I was out shopping. I got my apron in my hand. I'm gonna go put it on and we're gonna make some sweet potato pie donuts. Here are the ingredients that we'll be using. I'll list them here on the screen. We'll start by mixing our dry ingredients. We'll add 2 teaspoons of ground cinnamon, plus the baking powder and the salt, along with the flour, and mix them lightly with a whisk. Now it's time to get our wet ingredients together. I have some leftover sweet potato that I had cooked earlier in the week, and it's 1 cup of sweet potatoes, along with the vegetable oil, milk, 2 large eggs, and some vanilla extract. Don't forget to add the brown sugar to this mixture. Here comes the easy part. Add the wet ingredients into the dry ingredients and whisk it all together. Now the batter is all done and it smells fabulous. Let's go ahead and prepare our pan. Now I'm going to put my batter into a piping bag with no tip. And if you don't have a piping bag, you can certainly substitute a gallon-sized Ziploc bag. Zip it up after you pour the batter in, and then just cut one of the corners off. Not a whole lot, just a little bit, so that you can get the batter to come out. Putting that batter into a piping bag makes it a little bit easier to put it into the donut pan. You see how easy it goes in? That's what we want. Easy peasy. Now our pan is prepared. Let's tap it a little bit to get those air bubbles out and put it into a 350-degree oven for 15 minutes. Check them at about 13 minutes to make sure they're not getting dried out. Okay, y'all, so my donuts are in the oven. They'll be in the oven for about 15 minutes. In the meanwhile, I'm going to go ahead and make some glaze. I've chopped up some pecans because some of the donuts we want to put a little bit of chopped nuts on it. And I'm going to put the glaze together using cream, butter, and powdered sugar with a dash of salt. Tell her to come on in and get her a donut. Okay, y'all, so the taste tester is here and my donuts are done. So let's go ahead and let her taste them and we'll see what the results are. Okay, there she is.
Okay, I'm gonna pick this one. It looks delicious. It's cinnamony and it's cozy and sweet. It's a great breakfast meal.
Thank you. You ready? Okay, y'all, so I'm going to try. You know I got to try it. I got to try my donut. So I'm going to try one with nuts. All right? It's nice and soft. A fresh donut. Ain't nothing like it. Y'all go try this recipe. I'm getting ready to go shopping. I'll talk to y'all later. Be blessed. Bye. T-Paw's gonna try one now, but he wants to do it off camera. It's pretty good? Good. There you have it, y'all. Thank y'all so much for watching. If you haven't already subscribed, I'd appreciate it if you would. And don't forget to comment, like, and share the videos. I would love for you to share my recipes so that someone else can enjoy them as well. Y'all be blessed. Bye.